Viewers, it is the election season. Political temperature has started rising in all the states and union territories where we are going to see assembly elections in just a few weeks from now. Let's tell you what's brewing in Kerala. After Rahul Gandhi, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, targeted left over the Sabrimala gold chori issue, now there is a reaction to that has come from CPI MP P. Santosh, who in fact has called Rahul Gandhi's remarks irresponsible. He has said Rahul's statement is untruthful. Rahul is misreading the alliance dynamics. This is the big update that we are getting for you at this point in time. Listen in to this reaction from Santosh, P. Santosh Kumar, CPI MP.
This irresponsible and untruthful statement by Mr. Rahul Gandhi is a clear indicator of Congress parties losing hopes to come back to power in Kerala. The LDF is going to retain its power. There is no anti-incumbency against the government. The one who understands the ABC of Indian politics and the need to fight against BJP can't make such an irresponsible statement. But unfortunately, no one is there in the Congress party to control him. It is high time to review the future of India alliance under the Congress leadership.
Let's go across to my colleague Arpita, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Arpita, good morning. I mean, this is something that is not unexpected, isn't it? One, Sabrimala issue has to, dominate the narrative as far as the assembly polls are concerned. It is being used by almost all political parties to their advantage. But now, what do you make of this rebuttal that has come from CPI MP?
Time and again, Congress and CPM, they have been hitting out at each other over the Sabrimala issue because there were pictures of Sonia Gandhi and other Congress MPs with the main accused, Unnikrishnan Potti, in the Sabrimala gold loot. That is when CPM was saying that it needs to be questioned that why was Sonia Gandhi and other Congress MPs with this accused. Not just that, when Padma Kumar, who is a CPM leader, was arrested in this case, Congress was hitting out at CPM saying the same allegations. But yesterday, when Rahul Gandhi was in Kerala, he said that BJP and CPM are together. They are part of the same group because proof is that PM Modi usually talks about religion and temples. But in spite of being in Kerala, when such a big issue like Sabrimala has happened, PM did not utter a single word on that issue. And that is why he's confident that CPM and BJP are together, is what Rahul Gandhi said. To which now CPI MP has come forward hitting out, saying that it is a misleading statement, misleading truth. And CPM is really upset with what Rahul Gandhi has said. And that is why now CPI is calling for a review of the India alliance because like you know that only in Kerala there is a direct fight between CPM and Congress. When we talk about centre, they are a part of the India alliance. This is something that BJP has also time and again questioned, that in spite of being a part of the India alliance, why are they contesting separately in Kerala?
Right.
But that is the truth. So now CPI is calling for reviewing of India alliance under the leadership of Congress.
Right. Arpita, stay on with us. Let's now play out for our viewers what exactly Rahul Gandhi had said on this issue.
He has forgotten that the left front leaders stole from Ayyappaji. He has forgotten that the left front leaders took the gold of Ayyappa temple and replaced it with brass. His Narendra Modi does not care anything about religion, Hinduism or temples. For him, if he gets a vote from the temple, then he will talk about the temple.